Hi, and welcome to RedTruck. I'm back to doing all the short videos for RedTruck Raw unofficial channel, and today we will talk about one of the new features we added recently, that's custom columns. So what custom columns allow is to build your own values based on the core data points that we have. And honestly, I'm doing it for the first time, so let's jump into account and see how it works. So we go to reports, and let's go into product report, Facebook traffic, create report, and I guess we need to go to columns, and we can now custom column. So for example, my goal is to identify how good, for example, view content turns into initiate checkout. So for example, I'll do the initiate checkout to view content conversion rate. And then I will do percentage, I'll try, and then we will do view content. Oops, we need to do actual initiate checkout. Initiate checkout divided by view content. And we will save. And let's try. This is our column, so we'll put it after the initiate checkout. Save. Okay, and here we go. So initiate checkout, view content 2.5%. Well, looks accurate. And that's how easy it is. You build your own values, and you create reports that you want to see for data points. We just can go to last 7 days. Now we have way more green. 8 versus 415, 2%, looks close to truth, so I assume it works. And that's pretty much it. This is how to add custom columns to RedTruck. You can do it for any metric you want to build on top of the existing ones. And congrats! Now you can build your own custom reports to a great level of customization with, and sorry for having it like custom 6 times 1 sentence, thanks to RedTruck, custom columns and reports. Thank you, this is Vlad from RedTruck, and see you with the next video.